Good day, fam. Good day. It's been a while. It's been about 2 weeks since I posted a video. Well, here we are, guys. We are on US30, one of my favorite pairs. And let me tell you, this was a great run this morning. If I could put my mic down somehow. Hold on a second. Give me. All right, now I'm back. Now, again, this was a great run this morning from opening bell, guys. Okay, we were dealing with all this consolidation, and price broke out here, and we had the perfect setup, guys, for TuPar3.0. We had spaced out moving averages. We had our pars above price. Our 5 broke out from all of the others, and then we were going. Bam, pullback. Okay, so right here, you can see this is where you would set your horizontal line based off of this information right here. Now we're going to do a pullback. This is the 1 hour time frame, and because we're stopping and we can see clearly in the 1 hour time frame where the pullback is happening, we're going to go ahead and set our next rejected level, which I'm going to be extremely modest. I mean, because we are on the daily. I'm going to go ahead and scalp this. Once I move above this 35437, you guys don't do this to yourselves, but I'm going to do it because I'm used to it, right? I've been back testing. Back test before you do anything foolish as I'm doing at this time. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and hop in that trade, and I'm going to set my take profit to 35467. This is the in between, guys. All right, I've taught you enough about how to assess and analyze trend in other videos. Now, I jump the gun. Sometimes I get burnt for jumping the gun. However, in this particular time or this moment, I'm not. This is just going to give me a little silly pullback, okay? But then, put that back. It's going to give me a silly pullback. However, what I am seeing is my 5 EMA is getting ready to cross above that red, which is 14 EMA, okay? And then we're going to go up to my take profit area. We already have one parabolic Sars. That is not the rules for the 2-part strategy. Let me tell you what the rules are. Number 1, make sure that your MAs are underneath the price, which they are apparently not right here, which is okay for me. This is more of an advanced stage, but this is how people get burnt up because somebody would have did that here and they would have got screwed. Don't do this, guys. Wait it out. You'll be better off dealing with drawdown concerning it, okay? So again, we're gonna wait for the MAs to be underpriced. You're gonna wait for the parabolic Sars to be underpriced, not just one. Let me show you what wrong looks like. Not just one. You are wrong if you do that. You make sure that you have at least 2 to 3. You don't even want 2. You really want 3 merged parabolic Sars on the 3.0 strategy, okay? Now, price is going to respect this parabolic Sars there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and move up. As you can see, price has, why do I keep doing that? Price has crossed, MAs has crossed, which is great for us. But what we really want is we want the price to go above the 34.10 line and hit our 35467.82. Okay? Now, how do I know price is getting ready to pull back just a little bit? Because price is not going to go straight forever. Price did not go straight all at once, just like you see here. Of course, it did minor pullbacks the entire time, okay? Let me show you. This caught up a lot of people, okay? Even when we came down to these little areas here, price would go down, but then it would give you a slight pullback. And right now, this is going to freak a lot of people out, and they're going to close their trade. And then when they close their trade, price is going to turn right back around and go back and hit our lovely take profit zone. Yes, price bust through that. That happens sometimes when you jump ahead like I did. Okay, but I've been doing this for a while, that I know price is still going to turn around and do its thing. Because what happened was the red crossed underneath the orange. Then when it crossed underneath the orange, it was getting in preparatory position to get ready for a buy, to cross under the orange, to go above the orange. That's going to cross up above the green and start tapping into our parabolic Sars. Okay, so now we're going to watch this happen. Pay close attention. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so y'all see exactly what I'm talking about. And I did this trade early so you can understand exactly what I'm talking about and what not to do if you don't want to deal with a lot of drawdown. Okay, so what happened was price came down, red crossed underneath the orange, that's 14 crossing underneath the 5. Okay, all that was happening was that the red was trying to get in position to cross back above the orange, okay, to take you back up for your pullback. And that's what you see here. Price is supposed to do its thing, okay? It's going to bounce up and down, but we all know price is getting ready to go back to where it's supposed to and hit our take profit. Okay, we got a lower high. Got these lower highs. Price isn't closing beneath the first low. Okay, we got the low. And all of these are honestly kind of equal. So let's see what this last one do. It's gonna come and do a little grab and then go back up. That's what we're waiting to see, guys. Okay, let me tell you something. This is expected. This here is to freak people out, make you think you're going for more sales, and you're not right now. You're not. This is what we call the fake out. The extreme pullback to take you to where you need to be. Okay? I'm going to pause and we'll be back. Guys, I'm back. And look how much drawdown I am in. Ha! It's all good, fam. It's all good. Why? Because I know where we're headed. I got my TP set, but honestly, where we really going, where we really pulling back to, is right there. Drawdown looks horrible, but it's okay. Okay? Because I already know this right here is foolery. We had this big push down. We're due for a pullback. We haven't had a big one yet. Okay? It's coming. Now, can you handle the drawdown that comes with it is the question. Or better yet, don't do like I did, okay? Not on this strategy. And I'm showing this video. I could have not posted it, but I'm showing this video because you're going to get caught up because you're human. You're going to make mistakes. And when you make mistakes, you identify why you made those mistakes. Clearly, I jumped the gun. I mean, I talked to y'all about it, right? I didn't have not one freaking inmate sitting underneath me. Now did I? That's step one. Step 2, I did not have merged parabolic Sars. That is step 2. Step 3, I did not wait to see a bullish candle pattern. Now, I tell you what. Once this price pulls back to where it's supposed to be and it gives me the ideal setup, I'm going to enter it again. And this time I'm going to show you how it's supposed to be done. This is what wrong looks like. We entered in here, had no MAs underneath us. We had no parabolics, no merged parabolic SARs underneath us. Okay, I was being antsy because I looked at the 1 hour and I said, you know what? I know for a fact this is the stopping point and we're ready for a pullback. Well, of course, this isn't for you. They don't want you to make money, okay? So they're not going to make it easy for you. So they're going to push past that and then bring you back. Okay, so I'm going to go back down to the 1 hour. Now that's a blue line there. And that blue line is set because it is actually a trend line that I set somewhere that shows up. And honestly, when I set them, price really respects them. So, not that it's going to respect it because I placed it there. Because typically I put them in good zones and areas. So, good pivot points. Alright, so let me tell you, take notice. The 5 EMA is starting to curl to the right. That's the first sign that you want to start putting your eyebrows up and looking. Okay? And we're talking about this is the transition from sell to a pullback. Okay. Now, it's doing its thing, so we wait. The next thing you're going to look for is for price to bust through 2 merged parabolic SARs. Not 1, 2. Okay? Here's another hint too. Y'all see this? This zone right here? Look how far away those parabolic SARs were. Now look how close they are here. When you're looking for that pullback, you want them close because you want those merged parabolic SARs to come up together and to look like merged parabolic SARs, okay? So bam. Now this is live trading, guys, so you're catching everything. You're catching my not so sharpest moments, but I'm gonna turn that into a teaching moment, okay? Because I know you guys are gonna experience it because it's money we're dealing with, right? We're all happy and ready to make some money. You know what I'm saying? We're excited to make some money. So basically, again, we're waiting for price to go ahead, bust through 2 parabolic SARs, and then we're gonna wait for the orange to cross above the red, and then the green, when it crosses above the green, is gonna come back down, and then it's gonna shoot up. And at that point, we'll have some MAs underneath us, and we'll have merged parabolic SARs underneath us. In that case, we will go in for a buy. So our first take profit, or second, or third. All right, I'm gonna pause this now, or not. I'm not. Okay, bam. We hit 1 parabolic SAR. And if you've been watching me for quite some time, you do understand what clockwork means. When I say clockwork, you look down here. Shout out to my homie Brittany. When I first put out one of my first strategies out there, we were just kind of running through patterns and all of that, and you notice that, hey, we got the clockwork out there. Damn, cool. Anywho, that's when all of the moving averages are crossing over that 200 at the strong buy zone, and they're getting ready to lift up, and we'll take price to the 30 level here. So again, 5 MA curve around. Okay, you have one parabolic SAR, about to have 2. Once we bust through that, the 5 MA is going to cross over, or should I say the red MA is going to cross under the 5 MA. Okay, at that point, you're not ready for a buy. Okay, bam, we got our second one. Now you can be a little jazzy and enter in a trade, but nah, don't do that yet, because you're gonna get caught up. What do y'all see? They have not crossed yet, have they? Nope. You need those to cross, okay? Because it's setting you up for the buy. This is following rules. So once they cross, the orange is going to move up and it's going to cross over the green. Once that happens, it'll probably be touching the blue parabolic SAR at that time. And for US30, that means again that you're going to get a pullback, and that pullback will probably happen all the way to here. Okay, so here we go. Orange crossing up, 14, which is red, is crossing down. Bam, we go for a little buy here if they cross. I mean, don't do that. Don't you do that, but I'm just talking you through. That's what I would look for. Okay. This is not, you're not ready for the buy yet, guys, because that could very well just push all the way down and they never cross, right? But I'm just talking through it. Okay, bam. Price goes up. Orange MA, which is 5, crosses up. And then once it crosses up above the green and price taps the blue parabolic SAR, price is going to push back down. And then it's going to push back down till about there. And because the orange has not moved up yet to cross over the green right now, that means that we're probably going to have a little range consolidation in this area. Okay? This price is already trying to bounce back when it shouldn't be right now. I'm not going to say that it shouldn't be. Just know that once that orange crosses over that green, it's going to bounce back down again. Alright, so we're looking at the MAs and seeing what they're doing right now. We're liking that the red is underneath the orange, but we're looking for the orange to cross up over the green, looking for price to tap the blue merge parabolic SAR and pull back down to the red line. Remember, when it's go time, I'm going to put in another buy. We're doing what wrong looks like versus what right looks like. Okay, bam. Price just hit through the blue merge parabolic SAR. However, the orange MA has not crossed over the green yet. Once it does that, price is going to drop back down. not ready yet. Because this is when people typically enter. It's like they see that cross, they go in, then bam, you get the drawdown, then they get out the trade, and then you lose the trade. Okay? Still waiting for the cross to happen. Alright, we got another candle. Okay, the cross happened. Bam. New candle. Okay. Candle goes up. Candle comes back down. And once candle comes back down, we're going to look for the red MA to cross over the green. Once that happens, it's game on. Don't be fooled. Price is coming back down, guys. But we're liking this so far, right? Because we're looking for a buy. Why are we looking for a buy? Because we know in the 1 hour time frame, we know that price, this is where the downtrend is starting to end. And what do you see here? Yellow and red crossing. Okay, so pullback. We're still waiting on price to come back down, guys. Okay. Now I'm gonna squeeze this in a little bit so I can get a better view. This helps me out a little bit. So now, basically, once my red MA crosses over the green, it's go time for me. Okay. On US30, when you see your blue saving grace, I call the blue a saving grace, right? And I'll explain later in another video why I call it that. But on US30, once you see the blue, you're gonna get a pullback. Okay? And then it's go time. Okay, we haven't crossed yet, so I'm still waiting. But yeah, US30 is a pullback. On Nas100, it's a go. For the most part. Okay, waiting for the cross. And look at the time too. This is what you want to see. Waiting for 30 to hit. 30 on top of the hour. Okay. We got a pullback. It didn't come all the way down here, but just know that you'll get a pullback to somewhere. Alright, so once we see that cross, I'm going to go in for a buy, and I'm going to ride it up to there. I don't care how many times it pulls back. I'm staying in the trade until that happens. Alright, now I'm looking at the timer. 29, 53 seconds. I'm going in, guys. There it go. Okay, a little pullback, bam. Bye. Okay. 354, 34, 354, 34. This is what right looks like, guys. I was already in profit. Of course, I'm greedy. Price is gonna do its bounce back, guys. Look at the time. We got time before we can get here. I could have gotten profit, but for teaching purposes, I'm trying to show you guys what it is. Okay. Now, and I explain a little bit why I call the blue the saving grace. You see how spaced out it is from all of that, guys? As long as I got this blue riding underneath me, I'm happy to hold this and deal with all of these different little pullbacks that I'm going to get on each price. If you look at it, the price is flowing in a line. Okay? This one was just bearish, that one is bullish, and the other one or ones will be whatever they're supposed to be. Now, let's take a look at our 1 hour time frame. What's happening? This is just a little fake out. Okay, this is going to end up being a long wick. The price is going to start riding up a little bit. Where would it ride to, or will it ride to? This is where I'll set my next TuReject Concept. Y'all better check it out. Okay, what we're looking like, baby. All right, give me a big long candle to the 3, 5, 4, 3, 4. Let's go. Let's look at the 5-minute time frame. Okay. Y'all see how price sitting on top of the 5 EMA right here? 15, 5 EMA hasn't curled up yet. We're already in profit, huh, guys? Remember, we're scalpers with this strategy, so you get your profit, you done your job, you're done. Now, the 5-minute time frame is really going to repeat. It's going to repeat everything that just happened here, and that's just going to carry on, guys. It's going to carry on. It's going to have more time in between where you got to wait it out. You feel me? All right, look at that time on it, guys. Okay, we got our TP set 34. I like to put like 33 or whatever, because I don't want it to close out on me or come back down on me. Alright, give me a little push and I'll be happy. Bam. You see that? That is how you trade the TuPar 3.0 strategy. Now, I entered in earlier, a little bit too early. That's the wrong way, but it ain't gonna kill you. You know, I know where price was going. You know what I'm saying? Like, I already know that I was gonna get profits from it. So, just had to deal with a little bit more drawdown. But ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. What did I tell you guys? Just gonna have a wick and prices going up a little bit for a pullback. How far will it go? Before it could come back down, but which one is that? 3.7 maybe? Yeah. This is the most recent area to pull back when I look to the left, okay? 3.7. So I know that price is gonna end up going there. But anywho, that's a video another day. Love you guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Please subscribe and be a part of the family. If you're wondering why I trade bigger size accounts, it's because of the prop firm, guys. If you have the skills but you want a little bit more capital to trade with, look into a prop firm. And the one that I recommend is the Funded Trader Program. It is in the description. And I'll make another video later about how I think that you could practice on passing. But that'll be for another day. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in again because I know we're going to 355, 37 real quick. Since I got you on there, 5, 37, and then we'll call it a day, baby. We'll call it a day. Bam. All right. Toodles.